Hey friends, this is Sarahbeme. Since we're going to be home for a while, we might as well make some art. So here's how you make blizzard books. So the current page that I have right now is 19 by 13 inches. The book that I worked on in my class was 29 inches by 13 inches. So doing a little algebra here, I'm able to ascertain that the height should be 8.5 inches. So I'm going to fold my paper in half, and I'm going to put it through my cutter and make the height 8.5 inches. So now my paper is 19 inches by 8.5 inches. So now I'm going to fold one side to the middle of my paper. And I'm doing this in real time, so that way you can see how long it really takes to make this book. Alright, and then I'm going to fold the other side halfway to the midpoint, making sure that I'm aligned. Using my bone folder to make sure that my paper is nice and crisp. Then I'm going to fold it to the edge. Then I'm going to turn it around and do it again. And then I'm going to turn it over and fold it to the center. So this is how I'm going to make my accordion, which is the beginning of the blizzard book. Do the same thing on the other side. So these are what we call peaks and valleys. So we have those all nice and done. Now we're going to proceed and folding down triangles, and you want to fold this towards the fold as I'm doing right here. So using your bone folder, making sure it's nice and crisp, we're going to do it on both ends. And then we're going to fold back the first one and then go to the next peak and valley and fold the next triangle. And we're going to do it on both ends and keep going. And repeat the step again. And now that we've done all that work, guess what? We're going to unfold it. It's okay. Breathe. You're going to be just fine. Just unfold it. You'll see. Watch. Now look at all those beautiful folds. So now we should see 3 triangles in the center. And we're just going to pop them in and fold them down. That's why we did all that work earlier to create this. So just keep on popping them in with your fingers, finding those folds. Do it for those 3 triangles in the center. And when you're done with that, we're going to fold those remaining triangles on the edges inward. So we're going to fold those inward. now we're going to stack it up, lie down one of the accordion folds, and then fold down that triangle. You should be able to feel that crease because you've already done the work earlier. So we're going to do it on both edges to make the pocket. Remember, your bone folder is your friend, so use it to press down your creases, and then go to the next accordion fold. Fold down the triangles like you did before. You should be able to feel the crease like you did before, and keep on moving throughout the additional accordion folds to make your pockets. You've got this. Remember, you have this video. You can always go back and rewind. If I can do it, you can do it. Alright, on to the next accordion fold. Next triangle. Crease, crease, crease. And then the bottom triangle. Crease, crease, crease again. And then our last one, fold it down, crease it, and then fold the last over to make the cover. And that's it. Voila. Blizzard book. So this blizzard book is just right for business cards, so you can really play around with the sizing using the equation that I used earlier to kind of play around and to make it larger or smaller. And that's what I'm about to do right now. So for this one, the dimensions are smaller. I decided to print on the front and the back to add some interest and extraness. Enjoy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you again next Friday. Bye.